Hey guys, KYT at the new place. Excited to do more content. I got new equipment coming in, but I was just compelled to make a video for the first time in a long time to share my year-end results and at the same time do, I guess, a new version of why invest in XEQT for people who have not invested. And the motivation behind this video is really people who I talk to who start off thinking that it takes a lot of effort to invest in the stock market. They're like, how much effort do I have to take? How much time? Do I need to save money? I'll just wait until I saved a bunch of money. And of course, a lot of these things don't make sense. Like, just you're not doing anything during COVID. Just give me 5 minutes of your time to show you how wrong you guys are. And I don't blame the being misguided that it's a lot of effort or you need a lot of money to get in, because all you hear about is AMC, Dogecoin, GME, but it doesn't have to be that way. So please, inflation is ongoing, will never stop. The houses around here are $600,000. It's time to put your savings in something that's not cash, which is losing value over time every single day. So let's go straight to it. I'm trying to be as short. In the first video, I showed this chart, which is the S&P 500, which is the 500 large companies in the USA. And that's basically the logic of my strategy. And the soundest strategy is just you buy a basket of stocks, that combines, let's say, the 500 companies in the US. That's not what I do. I buy something called XEQT, which is a globally diversified portfolio. So it has companies from around the world to be even more diversified. But just to show you the stock market, if you bought the S&P 500 at any point, you buy and hold, you would have been doing well. You would have made, I think people have quoted it as 10% on your money per year. So that's what you can do. You don't have to pick specific stocks. Every expert that you'll find on the internet, like actual professional, just not a random YouTuber, will say buy a low cost index fund and you're good to go. So with that said, I think I want to show you the mechanics maybe of actually buying, because maybe that's why people think it's more difficult than it is. So number one, what's the actual mechanic is choosing an ETF. And so this is from an actual Canadian portfolio manager, one that does for a living, Justin Bender, and he shows different ETFs here. One of them is the one I have, and breaks it down by the percentage of bonds and stocks. And the more stocks it has, the riskier it is. So the one I have is 100% stocks, which means dating from 1973, the lowest return would have been minus 37.74%. So you got to be ready to hold the stock when it's possible it goes down that low. But that's why if you're not prepared for that, you buy something that you go less stock heavy. So you go all the way to ZINC, which is, again, a balanced ETF that has a bunch of stocks in it. You'll see the actual breakdown. And the lowest return is like minus 11.25% per year. So if you want to go a safer route, but here it'll show you the year-to-date return. And as you can see, XEQT usually outperforms. So it's a matter of whether or not you want how much risk you can take. And I know XGROW, 80% stocks, 20% bonds is really popular. So you just pick one of these. And I know, again, XGROW is really popular, probably the most popular, or VGROW. That's the Vanguard version. They're basically roughly the same. This one's by iShares. And so this is what I would do. I would go to XEQT, WealthSimple, or any trading platform, but I'm showing it is basically the same. You search it up, you see the current price, and you'll have some amount of money that you deposit from your bank account, and then you just click a bunch of shares you want to market buy. So market buy will mean this isn't the actual accurate price, because the price will fluctuate 1 cent, 2 cents from its actual price. But when you market buy 100 shares or whatever, and you have over $3,000, it's just going to buy it for you. Or if you think this might dip 1 or 2 cents, so if you want to take advantage of that, you go, the max price I want to buy it as 28.14, let's say, and you want to buy 100 stocks of that, and it will execute once that price hits 28.14. And that's what I've been doing. I just buy. I don't care where the price is. and that's it. I don't, because that's not the point. And I guess to keep this video short, I'm just trying to rush here. This is my performance so far, and I've only been investing. I checked in November last year, so in 1 year, I was able to make $20,000, and that's almost half of my salary at work. You know, it's not insignificant money. Okay, some errors going on. We'll wait. It's not insignificant money, and this gives me confidence to be a millionaire well before the age of 65. I mean, this is just my stock portfolio, and I think I want, you know, whoever is willing to join me on this journey. I think that's what I want to do. If I can change anybody's life with this information, even one person, that would be awesome. So thank you guys for watching.